Hello again. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in two different ways and a name card that can connect with a QR code using Canva. First thing first, if you already created an account, sign it to Canva. Then, create a design button and click on business card. If you didn't see it at the first time, you can just type it. Go to the side panel, click the template tool, and type travel and tourism. You can search for a template you like. For example, I grab this template. Okay, let's modify or design this name card. Click the background tool on the side panel. I type map. Click this map. And wow, just like magic! Told you in my previous video that Canva is a very intuitive application. And click this round frame. Next, click the photo tool. And I type traveler. Let's find the traveler right here. Yep, I think this is a great photo. And drag this photo to the round frame. Yes, great, and position the photo to the center a little bit. Then let's change the name and stuff. You are free to name what you want. And I think I need to resize the photo to make a better composition. Move it right here, yep. And click edit the image on the toolbar. You can check the previous video, lesson number 3, where I explore how to use the filter or to edit the image in Canva. So now I'm gonna change the font color because I'm not really satisfied with the color. And in this tutorial, we learn a new feature, transparency, which we can find on the toolbar here. Before we apply the opacity, don't forget to click the object first. I want to change the font. And next, click the second page here. Repeat the same step. Go to the side panel, click the background tool, and type map. Yep. And we don't need this tag, just take it out. Let's edit this tag. I want to create a shape. That's the easy one. Click this rectangle, right click, copy and paste. Resize the duplicate rectangle. Go to the left top corner, click this shape feature, pick one of this shape, and add the color, make it smaller. Okay, let's change the shape. Position the shape, resize again, bring it here. And then remove this tag and add a new heading. I type the wall belong to the brief. Add some color and effect and make it consistent with the first page. Okay, now the main goal, add a QR code. Go to the side panel. Remember, if you can't find QR code on your side panel, you can click this more. And because I already used it before, this QR code is right here. Well, let's click this QR code and you see how easy to create a professional business card integrated with a QR code using Canva. Copy the link you want to generate with the QR code. And paste it here. Hit this purple button. Voila! We've got the QR code ready. And now, let's download it first. You can print the business card and they will ship your card or design to your door. How cool is that? Okay, let's try another way to create a QR code, which is a more sophisticated QR code. I will introduce you to QRCodeMonkey.com. QR Code Monkey is a free and high-resolution QR code, and it provides powerful design options. According to Google, QR Monkey is one of the best free QR code generators on the web that can be used for commercial and print purposes. For now, let's click a URL option. Copy paste the link. Set color. Try gradient. We can even change the shape of the QR code. And finally, hit this green button and the website will generate a QR code for us. Wow, cool! And now we can download our QR code, whether to SVG or PDF or PNG. Let's go back to Canva and upload our QR code, then drag it to the page. Done! How easy! Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the thumbs up. See you in the next video.